guys, Canoopsy here doing a review on the Logitech G35 surround sound gaming headset. Powered by Dolby headphone, the G35 headset delivers an immersive 7.1 channel sound in a winning mix of play all night comfort and power at your fingertips customization. The Dolby headphone experience also creates a 360-degree sound field, excellent for gaming and listening to music. The G35s have 3 programmable G keys. Although these keys are only programmable on Windows, the G keys on Mac are useful for playing and going back and forward in different songs. After testing out these headphones with songs and games, I have noticed a very overall crisp sound, which delivers a very immersive experience. These headphones are also very comfortable with their soft ear pads and top headband. These headphones also come with a microphone with a mute light on it. This is a test for the microphone on the Logitech G35 headset. The G35s come with a very long braided USB cable. Here is a brief test of the sound coming from the Logitech G35s. Here with a tutorial today on how to get past the admin password on your iMac, MacBook, or any Apple computer. Although you're not personally able to customize the G keys on the Mac, you're able to use it to stop music, play music, and go to the next and previous track in iTunes. Also on the side of the headphones, there is a volume control which can be used to turn the volume up and down on your computer. In conclusion, these headphones are pretty good. Although they do not have the most accurate sound, the audio that comes out of these headphones is heavily modified and boosted, but really does make your music and games sound great. The G keys are pretty useful, as well as the volume switch. They aren't the most professional looking headphones, but look pretty cool nonetheless. The only main issues are the weak microphone and the large amount of audio leakage. The G35s are extremely durable and will last a very long time. So the final question is the Logitech G35 surround sound gaming headset worth it? Well, for the US price of $130, yes, I believe it's worth it. They deliver a very pleasing sound, although it may not be accurate, it is good for gaming and lots of heavy bass music. So, if you're looking for a nice pair of gaming headphones that are extremely comfortable and come from a very trusted name, then the Logitech G35 surround sound gaming headset is right for you.